Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and welcome to the Christmas Food Pantry Haul. Ho, ho, ho. No, it's not Santa. It's Uncle Chris.
What you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking.
Hey, I went to the food pantry today and they were giving out Christmas dinners, basically. So come on, let's take a look and see what I got. We are starting from the left to the right. And what do we have first? Some wonderful tuna. No, I'll tell you what, if you soak this in buttermilk, it helps. Buttermilk all night. Rinse thoroughly, then it's good for casseroles and tuna fish. Yeah. Look at this. Seriously cherry. I bet this would make a really good fruit pie for Christmas. Ooh, yeah. Got a can of collard greens. We've got some pink salmon. We've got some whole kernel corn, no salt added. Yes. Cut green beans, more for my green bean casserole. Diced tomatoes. Then we've got the ultimate peanut butter and jelly set, grape and strawberry. Oh, yes. I'm going to show you a cool thing to make for the kids. These peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, you toast them, then sprinkle some some powdered sugar on them. You know, the little white sugar that's powdered. Yeah, okay. Then we have some toasted wheats. I like them for breakfast. Yeah, you put some honey on these. You can also break them apart and use them as a dessert. Mixed with honey and peanut butter. Oh, make your own granola bars? Yes, you can. I've got some hamburger helper. You know what? No. I'll show you how to make your own hamburger helper lasagna because there's so many chemicals in this stuff. I mean, it's just ridiculous. No. And what is our sodium content? Let me see if I can focus this. Oh, 580 per serving. How many servings in here? Oh, 4.5. There's over 2,000. You gotta be kidding me. Let me show you how to make your own. I've shown you how to make the cheeseburger hamburger helper. Now I'm going to show you how to make the lasagna hamburger helper. We'll use their noodles, but not their seasoning pack. Okay? All right. Got to watch that salt content. I'm trying to lose weight, and I'm going to do it. Now, jumping over here, they gave me 2 bags of russet potatoes. So you know, I'm definitely doing either a scalloped potato dish or a twice baked potatoes. Ooh, that might be good. Do some loaded twice baked potatoes. Yes, I got 2 bags of them. Then I've got this prime drink. It's a hydrating drink. Now, I don't know. I haven't tried it. I'll let you know how it is. You know, it's supposed to be good for hydration, but I think that's for people that work out. So it might have some salt in it. I'll check. Let's see, what is the salt content on here? Let's get it into focus. Sodium. Oh, 15 milligrams. How many servings? 1 serving per container. Oh, that's good. Okay, then this is okay. Yeah, I'll let you know how that is. Frozen blueberries. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Okay, check it out. I can do 2 things with this. Of course, I can make a blueberry pie, but I can also make a Christmas drink, and it is good. I can show you that. So let me know which one you'd want. But the blueberry pie is really on my list, I tell you. Oh, a bag of pinto beans. This is right on time for soups. We could do a bean soup. We could do pinto beans themselves. Or we can also do a sort of casserole with beans. Yeah, they do that. But I'm looking towards some soups, though, because we got all winter. Then we've got some spaghetti. Oh, fettuccine. Oh, I'm going to make some, you know it, Alfredo fettuccine. Oh, or fettuccine Alfredo. That's what they say. Got some macaroni because I'm going to do some mac and cheese for Christmas. Or do I want to do the cold salad? No, I want to save these for my soup, for my bean soup. Yes, okay, yes. I'm going to show you that. Some premium white chicken. Stuff is great. Makes great chicken salads, makes great casseroles, and it's good in, let's say, a bean soup with some macaroni. And guess what? Since it's not a cream soup, it's low in fat. Haha. I know there's pasta in it, but the cream plus the pasta doubles the fat. This just halves it, so that's good. You still need fat in your diet. Don't try to take all the fat out. That's not good. Look at this. Loin pork chops. I got 2 packs of them. 2 packs. These are wonderful marinated. These are wonderful on the grill. You can also chop them up and make them into fajitas. Yes, you can. And they are delicious. Marinate these in teriyaki, and you can make a wonderful stir fry and add to your ramen. Now, the piece de resistance. We have a Christmas ham. Look at this. Big. Hardwood smoked. So I'm just going to glaze this, heat it up, and make it super delicious. Oh, this is so good. We have some wonderful blessings. Look, nieces and nephews, out of this, you can make a wonderful Christmas dinner. A wonderful Christmas dinner. That was such a good haul. You can make wonderful things with that. Oh, I also want to throw some shout outs. Charlotte, Carrie Berry, City Girl Homestead. You all were the top commenters. Thank you so much. And our very number 1 commenter was Miss Victoria. How are you doing, dear? Oh, City Girl Homestead. You guys have got to go there. I'm going to put a link down there to her channel. She is doing some really cool things. She's got a sloppy Joe soup. I'm going to try to remake it. Because after Christmas, we're going to have a whole month of comfort food soups. Yeah. All right. I want you to like. I want you to comment. I want you to subscribe. And I want to say thank you to everyone for all the birthday wishes. And here is the Christmas surprise. We saved the Uncle Chris house. Thank you to everyone who contributed. I'm going to have a special thank you show for that, okay? Write to me, show me your Christmas pics, and I'm going to take you guys on a tour of Chicago Lights. I am so excited about that. Every year I go and I dress up like a modern day Santa Claus. Goes the refrigerator. Okay. Write to me now, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. Big love. I love you so much. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. If you need some help with your Christmas or you feel like you're alone, I want you to write me. All right? All right. Bye-bye. Ho, ho, ho. No.